Good morning from San Francisco. We're staying at the Warwick Hotel and we're gonna have a great day of exploring San Francisco. We have no idea what we're doing. We have not really any plans, just a list of things that we think are cool to check out. We're gonna, I think, try to rent some scooters on the street and ride to the Painted Ladies. Go to a cafe. I don't know. Come along for the ride. Also, we got here yesterday, so if you haven't already, check out the previous vlog for like how we got here. It was a very long day and we learned a lot, so check that vlog out if you're coming to San Francisco and have no idea what you're doing like us. Got the goods. So we went to Alamo Cafe right next to Alamo Square in the Pink Ladies, and we're just gonna have a nice brunch. We got and this doesn't have sausage in it. Okay, we were just about to eat and our bagels don't have sausage and we paid $5 for sausage. It was pretty pricey, this cafe, but it is cute. They were playing like 90s music, probably with the theme of the Pink Ladies. Also, Pink Ladies were where Full House was filmed. So we went back to the cafe and the owner was actually really nice. I think he was the owner, but he put sausage in and then he gave us like 2 coupon things for free drinks if we ever come back, which I don't know if we will, but maybe after we'll go get it because it's next to the bus stop. But anyways, we're gonna enjoy our breakfast. I'm out of breath because there's so many hills here, especially like around this park. There's so many hills. But we're gonna enjoy our brunch in front of the Pink Ladies. We just came back to the main center and now we're going to Anthropology. Good morning. It's a couple hours later. We just I took a nap. I'm like zooming in. I took a nap, he did some homework, and now we're gonna go on the trolley to go to the fisherman's wharf.
Burger, clam chowder, right?
Yeah, and some other things.
Clam chowder. Oh.
And for dessert.
So what's the secret?
End of the line.
End of the line. What do you think about it?
That was fun.
It was fun. I will say it
smelled bad.
It was a little hard to breathe, but
yeah.
I'm just not used to that kind of, that strong of like exhaust smell. It was a lot of fun. It was like a little roller coaster.
Yeah, but we sat right on the back, so it was kind of cool going up the hills and everything.
Yeah.
It was fun. I love seeing the cute little houses.
It was a lot of fun, yeah.
Oh my gosh, we just got to the clam chowder hut and we're gonna try some clam chowder because that's what you eat it here on the wharf. We also ordered fish and chips, a very classic fish and chips, and that's it. And the fish and chips we just got, but I want to dig in to the clam chowder first. Ah! Ready?
How was it?
That's good.
1 through 10?
I like the bread bowls, so 8 out of 10. Definitely could use a little more seasoning, but I taste the clam.
Okay, 8 out of 10, so you recommend?
Yes.
Alright.
And then, I'm just gonna, it's so flaky.
This is the fish and chips. How's the fish and chips?
10 out of 10. I love
10 out of 10. Okay, I need to try me some of these.
What do you think? Yeah. Yeah, it is hot. That was so good.
Excellent.
Anchorage. Anchorage. Anchorage.
Are we back in Alaska?
If you watched my last vlogs, you know that we were just in Anchorage. Go ahead and check them out. So, I don't know if I mentioned this in Alaska, on the Alaska vlogs, but every time I see one of these coin machines, I get them for my sister because she collects them, and I've gotten her quite a few, so I'm going to pick out one for San Francisco. And I think I want to do the trolley car because we're taking the trolley car today. So, yeah, there it is. Only for 51 cents, a great souvenir. Guess where we're going? Look where we're sitting.
I'm so excited.
Oh,
I can't wait to eat this chocolate.
Hello.
For you? Yes.
Yes, both of us.
Too much. We'll take another one.
Yeah, okay. Okay, we're gonna try it. Go for it. Cheers.
Look at yours compared to mine.
We're gonna have tummy aches later. What did we get?
We got the Cookie Bit Sundae.
Yes, how is it?
10 out of 10 so far.
Great. These.
Okay, would you like a bag for 25 cents?
That's okay.
Okay.
Okay, so we're walking back to our hotel right now. Well, I think we're gonna find a market first. But we're walking back, and
We're back.
on the way back from the Ghirardelli factory, we got to go, like, the cable car was like stacked with people, so we got to like stand on the outside. That was like the coolest experience ever.
Yeah. And it was cool because we were actually in the back of the line, but he said, hey, does anyone want to stand up? And nobody said yes. We're in the very back, so we were like, we'll take that.
Yeah.
We'll take those 2 spots. So then we stood up the entire time, and I was super sketched out, didn't want to do it.
He was like, okay, suck it in, because we were like going next to like really tight areas, and it was really cool.
But she talked me into doing it, and I'm really glad I did.
Yeah.
I would have never done it otherwise, but I had fun, so.
Honestly, if you come and you go on the trolley cars, like ask if you could do that, because that was really cool, because then other people are like, oh, I'm gonna try that out. We're back for the night. We're just gonna hang out, and we got some popcorn, and we're gonna shower and just have a night in, because today was a big day, but a really, really fun day, and we did lots of really cool things that, like, I didn't think that I was gonna be able to do in San Francisco. So make sure you like and subscribe. I hope you liked today, and there will be 2 more full days, maybe 1 more vlog, so make sure you check those ones out. Good night!